Hi America, just want to show you my finished aeroponics tower. I used this 165 quart igloo. I got this off Craigslist for like 40 bucks. I'm using a 9-foot height pump. Paid like 25 for that off Craigslist. 5-inch PVC posts. These are 25 bucks a piece at Lowe's. Schedule 43-inch PVC pipe. This comes in 20-foot lengths. You have to get it from a specialty plumbing store. It's 40 bucks for 20 feet. I spray painted this and these separately before I cut them. I used a chop saw to cut the PVC and a jigsaw to cut my posts, because you want to get it, they're cut at a 45-degree angle and you want to get it an oval shape. I've got 44 different growing stations here, 22 on each post. 2 sides have 6 and one has 5. They're like, I don't know, a foot apart. It's 7 feet tall. I'm using a 9-foot pump connected to 5/8 inch irrigation pipe. It runs all the way up to the top. The top is dispersed with, I use some irrigation connector attached to my 5/8 inch tubing here. And it's glued to a 4-inch PVC post cap, and that's all glued to the top, so it kind of like showers down. I drilled some holes in the 4-inch cap. I'm going to be using MHP Gardner's 3-part nutrient mix. He uses like the master blend, I forget what the second one is, and then Epsom salts. It's a tablespoon of each per gallon. This thing holds 165 quarts, so I think it'll last for a while. Total, let's see, 40 bucks for the cooler, 25 or so for the pump used, 25 a piece for the towers, another 10 for the caps, and 10 for the shower head fittings at the top of the caps, 40 for a 20-foot length of this thing, which I think is kind of a lot, but so I don't know. And the nutrients and plants, you're looking at like 300 bucks, but it's got 44 growing stations and enough nutrients to last you years. So, and it's super cool. I call it the cactus cooler because it looks like a cactus and it's in a cooler. We were going to call it a saguaro, but we couldn't agree on how you're supposed to pronounce that. I said saguaro, James said saguaro. Cactus cooler is way cuter, so yeah, that's what it's called. It's plugged in on my kitchen island here. And yeah, it's going to be a gift for my friend's boyfriend for his birthday. But, I mean, really, it's for both of them for birthdays, Christmases. I don't know. I got PVC shavings all over my yard. This I cut with a chop saw at 0 and 45 degrees.